One quick tip of something that's coming our way today, which I've got in my tenant, which is called Meeting Insights. Now, I discovered how useful this was because I create a lot of meetings to deliver training. And I spotted something which I thought was brilliant in my meeting. Let me just show you what it is. So I've taken a screenshot to show you my meeting. I got this meeting set up to teach some Excel. And I noticed that I had a little blue button here, Meeting Insights. So I pressed it and it showed me an email which was connected to that meeting. So nobody in the meeting sees this, but what it turned out to be was that somebody who was invited to this date's meeting couldn't make it. So I'd sent an email and I'd asked someone to help that person to find another date. So when I clicked on this message, it actually took me directly back to the connected email, and that was really useful. So this email went from me to my colleague to ask her to help the delegate who couldn't make those dates. Really good way to tie all the information together. So this is what's called Meeting Insights, and you may notice it on some of your meetings if there's any emails connected to your event. It's a little nugget, but I'm an early adopter, so that means that sometimes I see things before they come out to you, and I would urge you to have a look and maybe even test it out, perhaps create a blank meeting to send an email about that meeting, see whether it works for you, see if it's there yet for you. Let me know if you find it as useful as I will.